Yeah, they be asking, yo T, let me hear the freestyle. But look, alright. Nigga, I'm straight beastin'. Pussy motherfuckers, yeah, I be straight eatin'. Bitch, I got that thing and I'm releasing. Talking about that bang, nigga, put it to your head. You fucking with my team and we putting you to bed. I'm talking in that dirt one. Yeah, we beatin' hurt sons. I'ma give you shit, bitch, I'm coming with the worst ones. Niggas think they on it. You know that I'ma get it, bitch. I'm just being honest. You know I be the realest here. They think they hotter than me. You know I got that shit. I represent my fucking streets, yo, I'm hot in here. Them niggas think they got me. You better bag. You pussy niggas, you ain't nowhere on my fucking status. I be the baddest. Yeah, you can just call me savage. Like Webby Man, motherfucker. Yeah, we better than any of you fools. Think you ruling shit. I'ma fucking show you this. Got my nigga Young Hooligan on a fucking team, nigga. Put him on the track. And I bet he fucking beast on this bitch. Yeah, we back in the motherfucking yo every day. About that motherfucking dough. Yeah, that cake and the motherfucking hoes in my face. I'ma place them out, take them out, put them under this. Talking about that 6 feet under bitch. Yeah, I'm in this motherfucker. Yeah, be like Wonder Woman. I'm about to do it big. Yeah, them bitches will see me coming. Check your binoculars, cause they know that I'm hot in here. They singing that, they say that girl swagger so popular. I'm about to take them out this bitch. Yeah, we fucking making hits. Every day they see me in this bitch. Yo, I never quit. I'ma do it big, motherfucker. Yeah, check the spit, check the list. See me on that hit list. You know you be the one, motherfucker, making hits it. Yeah, you see the gun, make the motherfuckers run the other way. When they come up in my face, what I'm about to say, nigga, not today. You think that we gon' fucking play up in this bitch? We got that fucking heater, nigga, spray and never miss. You thinking that you own, nigga, coming to my clique and we'll get you gone, nigga. You will never see him, we'll never see him. We in this bitch every day, nigga. Your TV cleaning. I'm about to take them out the way. Yeah, you know I'm meaning. I'm about to get it, bitch. I'm getting rid of them assholes, nigga. All about my cash flow. I see the bags go, get the duffel bags full. Go in a bank, ask that teller where the fucking cash. I be like currency, bitch. I'm touching all the bags. You out of here, nigga. You not even on my level. You talking like you down, but you ain't bout that shit. You know I'm in this bitch. I'm about to take it on. You motherfuckers think you got me. Sorry, Holmes. I come up in your home. That chrome up on my own. You fucking with a G. Put that chrome box to your dome. I'm about to get it, man. It's just ridiculous. I be the sickest, yeah. You think you got me, bitch? You better get up on my dick if I had it, bitch. I'm about to take it all. I'm about to make it all. You think you got it, motherfucker? You sorry, dawg. I'm about to do it big. Take all of y'all out the fucking way, bitch. Yeah, I'm coming hard. Stay on this fucking shit. Yeah, Tia never miss. They know it's just a freestyle in this fucking bitch. I just keep going and going just like the bunny, man. You talking shit, but we laughing. Yeah, you funny, man.